So from the TCP side, any update as far as Old Goa is concerned? Because I is the
I think Honorable Minister Tourism, Mr. Rohan Kautel, made a statement on the floor of the House. So government statement, he has already given the government stand.
Regarding the government land,
हय तेजेर आमकां बसचें पडटलें न्ही.
किती विचार असतील सरकार
ना म्हाजे कितें विचार आहा तो विशय आहा की आमच्या मतदारसंघान बी खुबशे कडे जुने गोश्टी आहा ते हांव मुख्यमंत्री कडेन चर्चा करची पडटली. मिडिया कडेन उलोवचे पेक्षा पयलीं हांव फाल्यां मुख्यमंत्रीचे बजेट जातकूच बसतलो, कारण हो भरपूर सिरियस विशय आहा आनी जायत्या लोकांची घराचो विशय आहा, जायत्या लोकांचो विशय आहा. पूण ऑनरेबल हायकोर्टान जे डिसिजन दिला तेजें इम्प्लिकेशन कितें आहा हें आमी डिस्कस. म्हाज्या मतदारसंघान मॅक्झिमम म्हाका प्रॉब्लम आमच्या लोकांचो आसा. म्हाका दिसता बाकीच्या मतदारसंघान बी आसतले विशय आनी हो विशय खंय तरी सरकारान सोडोवपाचे प्रयत्न आमकां करचे पडटले विचार करून. पूण हांव म्हाका मुख्यमंत्री कडेन तरी डिस्कस करपाक संदी गावली.
No, but it's a long
पेंडिंग इश्यू जावपाक शकता सर.
So many years this has been pending. Where it has gone wrong? This it was not able to be.
Best let me speak to Honorable Chief Minister and discuss with him, because these have got huge serious ramifications and we have to first read that. I was just trying to read on, I've asked somebody to download the High Court order because ultimately it is impacting the people, they're poor people, and while we have to respect the Honorable High Court's viewpoint, where as a representative of my people I have to protect the interest of my people also, and I have to protect it, and I am confident that the Chief Minister will look at it in a different way and address this issue, but I have to discuss it with him. There's no point me speaking to the media or making any comment on it, because this is the issue, it has to be resolved. I will talk to Honorable Chief Minister and let's see how all of us
पॉसिबल सॉल्व करपाक कित्याक
Solve
कितले
करपाक.
वर्सांनी जायना तो इश्यू कॉम्प्लिकेटेड ताका लागून.
ना उलयता न्ही
Okay. काल
तूं 70 जाता तुका खबर आहा न्ही.
ताका लोकांक कितें सबसिडी
गरीब लोकांचो विशय आहा, त्या गरीब लोकांक त्रास जावं न्ही म्हणून आयज लोक गडबडल्या. हायकोर्टाचे सगळे कडेन पसरला की अशें जालां म्हणून. आयज खुबशे कडेन ते आसा घरां आतांची न्हू घरां पयलींची घरां ती. आयज कांय लोकां कडेन डॉक्युमेंट बी ना, पूण तेजेर मिडिया कडेन म्हणून हांव चड उलोवंक सोदिना, कित्याक मुख्यमंत्री कडेन पयलीं उलोवन मागीर